Okay, come to the last part. Well, it's up to you, he said. I doubt if it will come off, but I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. How long would you like me to say if you should stay away from school? Would 6 months be alright? That's very kind of you. It's nothing. I've just only just stopped being a student myself, so I know how you feel. Here you are. Dr. Wheel handing him the certificate and the best of luck. How much? Nothing. If you have anything to spare, invite Yuri to a meal. He is a good friend of mine, and yours too, I think. Albert had no money to spare, but he pretended he had and took Yuri out to supper. Supper is a night meal, the meal that we take, and then sleep. Isn't it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. 6 months is a good period. This way you would not actually be leaving the school. So if the worst comes to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. I'll never go back to that place, Albert assured him. I'm going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow, and that will be the end of it. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded him. Mr. Coach willingly gave Albert the reference he wanted. If I say I can't teach you anymore, probably you will soon be able to teach me. Will that be all right? He asked. That's saying too much, sir, said Albert. It's not only the truth, but all right. I'll put it more seriously. It was still a glowing reference. Mr. Coach made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Well, he said, I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. It's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, said Albert. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? You would not have asked me for this reference otherwise. I thought you would wonder. There's nothing to wonder about, Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Albert was puzzled. What did the teacher mean? He soon found out before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher. He was summoned to the head's room. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for, but vaguely supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. Well, he had finished with his punishments. I'm not going to punish you, the head teacher said to Albert's surprise. Your work is terrible. I'm not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. I want you to leave the school now. Leave school now? Repeated Albert, dazed. That is what I said. You mean, said Albert, I am to be expelled. So here is like that. So the doctor says it's up to you. And according to doctor, it is he's not still convinced that the college idea would give him successful, because he's definitely convinced about the fact that Albert is going to school and not doing anyone much good. So he confirms that 6 months away from his school period would be enough for his plan. So Albert said yes, fine, it's enough. So Dr. Wheel says that okay, fine, he understands the situation so well because he has just stopped being a student, because he was also he has just stopped being a student. The same thing happened with him. So he even refuses to take his fees, and he asked him to take Yuri for a meal. Filled with joy, Albert took Yuri out for supper, even though he had no extra money. On seeing the certificate, Yuri assures him that 6 months is a good time period, because just in case things go wrong, Albert could come back to finish his diploma. Albert reassures him that this is not going to happen, because he is never going back to that place or school. He conveyed his idea of taking the certificate to the head of the school next day, while Yuri reminded him to get the reference letter first from the mathematics teacher. यहाँ पर डॉक्टर साहब जो है अभी भी कन्विंस नहीं होते क्यों कॉलेज छोड़ना चाहता है, क्यों यहाँ से वहाँ जाना चाहता है। खैर वो कहता है वहां पर जाके तो कोई फायदा होगा नहीं। फिर भी जो वो कंफर्म करता है कि 6 महीने का टाइम ठीक है, अगर मैं आपको सर्टिफिकेट दे दूँ तो 6 महीने बाद बात बन जाती है। डॉक्टर विलियम को देते हैं और कहते हैं कि ठीक है पहुंचिए आप। वो यहाँ तक कि पैसे लेने से ही मना कर देते हैं, कहते नहीं मुझे अपनी फीस नहीं चाहिए। और वो उससे कहते हैं एक काम करो, यूरी को जो है मतलब कि डिनर पे लेके जाना। वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है। एल्बर्ट जो है यूरी को मतलब कि रात के खाने के लेके जाता है, जबकि उसका एक्स्ट्रा पैसे होते ही नहीं। सर्टिफिकेट देखकर यूरी उससे पूरी एश्योरेंस करता है 6 महीने का जो है टाइम पीरियड अच्छा है, लेकिन अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है तो एल्बर्ट जो है वापस भी आ सकता है डिप्लोमा में। एल्बर्ट कहता है नहीं मुझे वापस ही नहीं आना, मैं सोच ही नहीं सकता इस जगह पर मैं वापस आऊँ। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे वापस आने की बात कहता हूँ, कहता है नहीं वापस आऊँ। तो चलो ठीक है जो भी है आप पहुँचो, स्कूल जाना है सर्टिफिकेट लेकर और कर, और लेकिन भूल मत जाना मैथमेटिक्स टीचर से रेफरेंस लेटर के लिए, क्योंकि वही आपका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। मिस्टर कोच willingly to give Albert the reference he wanted. If I say I can teach you anymore, probably you will soon be teach me. अब यहाँ पे मिस्टर कोच की बात आती है, तो मिस्टर कोच who is a mathematics teacher gave Albert a nice referral. He even went to the extent of saying that Albert would soon be ready to teach him. Albert thought was saying too much, probably out of respect for his teacher. Mr. Ko then put in a different word, but furnished the reference in a way to make it smooth for Albert to enter any college to pursue education higher mathematics. अब मिस्टर को जो मैथमेटिक्स टीचर थे वो एल्बर्ट को मतलब कि एक अच्छा रेफरल देते हैं, तो यहाँ तक कि वो आगे की बात कहते हैं कि बहुत जल्दी एल्बर्ट जो है वो उनको पढ़ाएंगे मिस्टर कोच को। एल्बर्ट सोचता है ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही सोच रहे हैं, हालांकि वो बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए। तो मिस्टर कोच जब उसके बाद थोड़ा डिफरेंट वर्ड्स में बोलते हैं, लेकिन अपनी बात को कंप्लीट करते हैं कि वो एल्बर्ट के लिए तैयार है, कोई भी रेफरेंस देने को तैयार है जिससे कि वो किसी और कॉलेज में जाके अपनी एजुकेशन हायर मैथमेटिक्स की पूरी कर सके। लेकिन वो साथ में एक बात जरूर बोलते हैं कि मुझे बहुत दुख है कि तुम हमें छोड़ के जा रहे हो। और वो जानता था एल्बर्ट कि वो जो अपना यहाँ पर टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है। एल्बर्ट तभी करेक्ट करते हैं कि मिस्टर कोच की जो क्लास है वही एक अकेली क्लासेस में से टाइम वेस्ट नहीं है। एल्बर्ट उनको ये नहीं बताते कि वो सब कुछ छोड़ के जा रहा है, लेकिन मिस्टर कोच आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं एल्बर्ट से पहले ही, और एल्बर्ट को रियलाइज कुछ ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि रेफरल की बात भी थी। बस सरप्राइज की बात देखिए, एल्बर्ट को हेडरूम बुलाया जाता है जबकि उसे रीजन का कुछ नहीं पता था। वो खुद अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए जाना चाहता था, लेकिन वो खुश था कि चलो 1 और 2 घंटे की इंतजार से टाइम मैंने बच गए, जल्दी पहुंच जाऊंगा, जल्दी काम हो जाएगा। तो इस चक्कर में वो जो है अपना चल देते हैं। अब होता क्या है कि एल्बर्ट को जो है क्या नाम है, एल्बर्ट डिड नॉट put much thought into why he was called into the office, but somehow he knew it was punished for him poor performance and lack of interest. But now he was all done with all of it. एल्बर्ट को जो है ज़्यादा मतलब कि अभी ज़्यादा सोचा भी नहीं था, उसे ऑफिस बुला लिया जाता है, ठीक है, लेकिन किसी तरीके से उसे पता चलता है कि उसे पनिशमेंट दी जाएगी क्योंकि उसकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत बेकार है, दूसरा उसका इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है। लेकिन अब कोई टेंशन नहीं, सब कुछ चीज़ उसके पास तैयार थी। ठीक है, जब सब कुछ चीज़ उसके पास तैयार थी तो यहाँ पर वही बात होती है कि ये तो ऑलमोस्ट मतलब कि वही वाली क्लास थी जिसमें टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करता था। अच्छा फिर अब वहाँ पर आके उसको काफ़ी चेंज मिलता है, तो उसे बताता है कि टू हिज अटमोस्ट सरप्राइज आइंस्टाइन वाज टोल्ड दैट नॉट टू बी गोइंग पनिश दिस टाइम। उसे पता चलता है कि आइंस्टाइन को जो है कोई पनिशमेंट नहीं दी जाएगी अब की बार। हेडमास्टर एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कि फिलहाल उसके लेजीनेस और बेहुदे कामों की वजह से वो उसे रखना नहीं चाहते, और एल्बर्ट से एक ही बार कहते हैं चले जाओ। तो एल्बर्ट एक ही बार कहता है ओह तो क्या मुझे जबरदस्ती निकाल दिया जा रहा है। यहाँ पे एक वर्ड आया एक्सपेल्ड, ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक वर्ड आया है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सपेल्ड। लास्ट में बोलते हैं एल्बर्ट का इसका मतलब मुझे धक्के मार के निकाला जा रहा है, मतलब कि मेरे को जो है बाहर कर दिया जा रहा है। बात भी अब वो प्रॉब्लम ये थी, बाहर जा रहा है, बाहर तो से जा रहा था। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जिस काम के लिए उसने इतना टाइम वेस्ट किया, क्या जरूरत थी? वो लेटर तो उसके पॉकेट में ऐसे कैसे ही पड़ा रह गया। You can take it that way if you wish, Einstein. The head teacher was not mincing words. The simplest thing will be for you to go of your own accord, and then the question won't arise. But, said Albert, what crime have I committed? Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for other people to learn. You refuse to learn. You are in constant rebellion. No serious work can be done while you are there. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. I was going to leave anyway, he said. Then we are in agreement at least, Einstein, the head said. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of his school. Then he stopped himself. Without another word, holding his head high, he stalked out. Shut the door after you, shouted the head. Albert ignored him. He walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years, without turning his head to give it a last look. He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come home to hate almost as much as the school. Elsa was back in Berlin and he had no other real friends. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. You are going to a wonderful country. I hope you will be happier there. So here's the word mincing word. Mincing word means जब आप भद्दी तरह से बात करते हो, vaguely you talk. That called mincing words. And another one is rebellion. एक बहुत अच्छा word है, rebellion. Rebellion means when you are against the authority or control. So the head of the school was pretty serious and suggested that he left school in his own instead of being expelled, because it would be easier for both the parties. Albert did not understand what crime he had committed. The head teacher explained how his presence was creating trouble for teachers to give lessons to other students. No work can be done when he is around, and only standing there. Albert felt that the certificate was burning a hole in his pocket. It was unnecessary he made such efforts, which means that the money he had spent on extracting the set to get the certificate, that means he paid a meal with Yumi, no use, gone waste, as the certificate was useless. He was being sent away from school. Regardless, Albert, without giving any regard, Albert expresses his displeasure, and he was anyway going to leave, to which the teacher replies, at least first time he was agreeing on something. Well, at that moment, Albert was being driven by his desire to tell the head teacher the truth, what he thought of the school. But he managed to stop it, because at last his wish was fulfilled. He walked straight off the school while ignoring the head teacher's instruction to shut the door with his head high. He did not even look back at the place where he had spent the most terrible years of life. He had no real friends or close acquaintance who he could bid adieu to. He met Yuri before leaving, who wished him well and hoped he would be happy in the country he was going to. Elsa was also back in Berlin with her family, thus there was no else he could say goodbye to. So अब यहाँ पर यही केस होता है, बड़ा सिंपल सी बात है। जो हेड ऑफ द स्कूल थे वो बहुत सीरियस होते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि हाँ, आपको जो है जबरदस्ती फोर्सफुली निकाला जा रहा है, और ये दोनों ही पार्टी के लिए सही रहेगा, आपके लिए भी हमारे लिए भी। एल्बर्ट समझता नहीं क्राइम, क्या क्राइम किया उसने, ऐसा क्यों। हेड टीचर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, भाई तुम्हारे प्रेजेंस से सबको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, टीचर्स को भी, स्टूडेंट्स को भी। ना स्टूडेंट्स आपसे कुछ सीख रहे हैं, ना टीचर्स पढ़ा पा रहे, कोई वर्क नहीं हो रहा जब भी तुम आसपास होते हो, जब भी यहाँ पर खड़े होते हैं। एल्बर्ट को लगा जो सर्टिफिकेट है ये उसके पॉकेट में जल रहा है, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या था, वो पैसा जो उसने खर्च किया था अपने सर्टिफिकेट पे, जो मील मैंने की दावत दी थी यूरी को, सब वेस्ट हो गया, बेवजह ने उस पर काम किया। खैर अब तो स्कूल से उसे निकाल दिया गया। एल्बर्ट जो है क्या नाम है, बहुत उसे दुख